Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today it's a beautiful Sunday morning. I'm going to do some retail arbitrage at Costco, and yeah, make sure to stick till the end of the video. Take some beer, some coffee, wherever, and make yourself comfortable. And yeah, see you inside. This is the brand new super sport car, which I will use. As you can see, I take off all the seats so I have space in it, and yeah, it's a car that basically worth £0, but who cares? It's making me my job, it's doing my job, and I can make a lot of money with this car. Let's see if it's starting. Perfect sound. Get it. It's full. The think it's full. People watching like me like very strangely say, why do these guys buy all of this stuff? And yeah, they don't have the minimum idea what I'm actually doing it with this. And one thing, I speak with the manager here and I discovered some very funny thing about, which I'll talk about later on if you want me to, about Costco and what they actually doing and how things are working. I didn't know about that. Luckily I speak to him and he telling me. Okay, so this is one good point I want you guys to remember. Every time you do something, you can develop a relationship with somebody that will benefit you in the long term, right? So yeah, another lesson learned today. Okay, yeah, I didn't find the product that I wanted to, but I find this one, like I show you. It's also a good product, they're selling a lot. And the plan now, I'm going home, I drop this and I go to another warehouse, which the guy say me that they have that product, and he basically say, look, we don't have it now, they can't drop it off from the shelf because there are people inside and it's like dangerous, right? So you say come to 10 to 5 before the closing and they'll give me basically the product that I wanted. So yeah, not too bad, it's okay, it's okay, it's good. I can't see nothing. Okay, now I'm heading towards the exit. Yeah, here I find the product that I want. All good. It's a lovely day today, for business, for everything. Okay, the van is full, completely full. 4 of these fitting in perfect. A lot of work today. Very nice. I find those in this warehouse. There was actually 5. I have to left one behind because there's not enough space for 5. So now it's 3:30. I should go to have some lunch because I didn't even got time to eat. But you know, when it's those occasions, you have to push a little bit because the competition is killing you. So the guys that hustle the most, they will make the most money. So yeah, again I have to go to the other warehouse. They have prepared 4 again for me at what time, 10 to 5. So basically I have kind of 1 hour left to go home and to download this and to go in the other warehouse to collect the other one. Yeah, but still it's all good. Love it, love it. Like, you have to enjoy all the process, every the good stuff and the bad stuff. You have to always enjoy it. Okay, it's 4:10. I'm downloading all this stuff. Look how much stuff I have here. This one I booked it earlier, and now I have to run to the warehouse. I have like less than 1 hour to go to collect the how it's called, the other stuff. So basically it will be still the same those products as well, but like I said, I want to buy them all, so I'll be the only one having it. And if you follow me for a while, you know this is the rule. If you find a product that sell them, buy them all. Okay, it's 10:05. I'm in the Costco, like on the limit, so I'm going to find my guy right here to see if he can drop me the other product down, because now basically they close at 5, so I see where is it. I'm trying to find him. Look at where they are. On top there. They'll drop it as soon as they close. Finally, kind of finished for today. This here is the last round, and yeah, the Costco is closed now, so I think I will wrap it up here, the video. Also, about the guy that I met there at the Costco, was the manager basically, and one thing that he actually told me, I mean, what actually I told him, I say, look, I found this product, the manufacturing, but they don't want to sell it to me. So what's the reason for that? So basically they say there is their design, so basically they give the specification to the manufacturer how basically to build the product. And one thing that they do, they don't compete on price with other I don't know, other retailer. They compete on quality. So basically that's why sometimes you're not gonna find some products so cheap on Costco, because they are high quality basically. And yeah, this is the reason that why those Chinese, they don't want to sell it to me. It's only there for, I don't know, why they keep having it on internet if they won't sell it other than Costco. Also, if you want to see like how much profit I actually make on this item right here, I have another video that I want you to watch. It will be the first link in the description, or I will put them up here. Click this here to watch the video to see the profit. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I see you in the next time. Bye bye.